And we're back with another energy test. And today we got another one from GAAM, and this time the flavor is blueberry and raspberry. Well, I have high hopes for this one, so let's have a taste. I'm actually a bit disappointed because the flavor isn't that strong in this one. It's really bland and not that fresh flavor I like. There is some flavor of blueberry and raspberry there, but it's not that strong flavor. Yeah, this one is a disappointment. It's not a bad one, but the flavor isn't too strong. So